Hi guys, and welcome to another WordPress Divi theme video. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Well, I had a good question from somebody. A lady by the name of Nicola Sutherland asked me, do you know if it's possible to put a slash through the regular price and have a new price to the right of it? And this is obviously with the pricing tables here. And Nicola, I hope I said your name right there. So yeah, it is, and it's not actually as straightforward as you may think. Here's a pricing table, and what I gather from the question is we want to put a line through here and have the new price to the right hand side of it. So to actually do this, we're going to have to employ a bit of custom CSS. You'd think you'd just be able to do it in the module itself. Let's just enable the visual builder and try doing it that way. But I think that's going to override some other styles there. So let's go down there and let's edit our module. So here's our price tables. Let's have a look at this one, this first one here. And you'd think perhaps you could go to the advanced, to the custom CSS. Here's before main element, after price heading, that's that one up there. Price title, that's that one. Subtitle there. Pricing top, I guess that's that bit. Here's the actual price. You'd think you could just say that's actually prompted us, that's handy. And let's say a line through. And a semicolon after that. Alright, well that's put that line through. Fine. Well, it's the wrong color, but we can change that. But what it's also done is put a line through that site a little bit there. And that's what we don't want. So let's do it a different way. It's a shame we can't do it that way, so let's just exit out of there. I'm going to exit the visual builder and go down there again. This time I'm going to just click on that price and inspect the element. I'm using Google Chrome here, by the way, if anybody didn't realize, because it's got these great inspector tools. I know Firefox has pretty good ones as well. I used to use it, but this is the one that I tend to use nowadays. So here's the actual sum itself. So if we repeat what we did just to that part itself, that's nicely prompted us here as well. There we go, that's looking a bit more like it. So we've got the line through our price there, which is what we wanted, but we want the new price beside of it where it says site there, so we can just change that in the actual module itself. So let's put this bit of text in the custom CSS box. I'm just copying from the dot, including the dot, down to the last closing bracket there. And if we go back to our dashboard, let's go to Divi theme options. Scroll down to our custom CSS. And I'm going to start at the top here. I could go down to the pricing tables. I'll just give it a title in case we want to change it at a later date. It makes things a lot easier to find if you just give them a title. So that's / */ / and just put the title in between the stars there. Now that bit of code I copied from the browser there, that bit of CSS, I'm going to hit Control V to paste, or right click and paste, however you like to do it. Going to get rid of those first three because we did not change those, so there's no point doing anything to it. Let's save this and see if it works. We may have to put important after that to force it to work. We'll see. Now, if we go back to the site, I'll get that inspector out of the way and refresh. Yeah, that's fine. That's worked fine. See, we've still got our slash through our price here. But to achieve what Nicola wanted, we want to make that price smaller and then put a new price just beside it. So we've achieved the objective of putting a cross through the price there, or a line through. Let's enable our visual builder now to see how we can put the new price beside it there. Right, let's edit our module. And we'll start with this first one here. And let's have a look. Here, there's our price. Now, where it says per, I've got site. So I want to change that to the new price, which is, say, $3.99. And eventually I want to make that the same size as this, but I'll have to make this smaller so it all fits on there. Okay. So let's go to the Design tab. And let's go down to Price. And make that price a little bit smaller so we can make this new current price a little larger. Let's take it down. Yeah, 40. That should leave us enough room. I'm going to turn that red also as it's crossed out. Now we want to make the other one bigger, or the same size as this. I know we can edit that in here. And it's going to make the price tag bigger too. That's currency and frequency right here. So let's make this the same size, which is 40. Or we can actually make it a little bit bigger. Let's make it 45. Make it stand out a little bit more. And change our color to whatever color you want. I'll just use the blue right there. Okay, let's save that. And save our module, or save it to our module there. And there you have it. That's hopefully achieved what you were looking for there, Nicola. We've got the crossed out original price and we've got a new price next door to it. I guess if you wanted to, you could just put the currency in front of that and get rid of the other one. Let's just try that quickly. I wonder if we can leave that currency blank. Delete. And now the per, we can put I wonder if we can put a dollar sign. Yeah, you can put the dollar sign in front of that if you want to. Don't think we'll be able to put a dollar sign in front of the price. I don't know. I doubt it. Yeah, you can. So you can have it crossed out and crossed out. So let's just save that. And there you have your little pricing table there with a line through the original price and a new lower price next door to it. So I hope that's answered your question, and I hope that's been useful for people. Anybody watching, if you've enjoyed this, please like and subscribe and share. And if you're interested in web development, we've got some great free and paid web development courses below. We've got huge discounts for our YouTube subscribers. There's some great courses down there, so do take a look. Once again, this has been Jamie from System 22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.